Welcome back to Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms. Today we're in Washington Township checking in on the progress of this sunroom and greenhouse project. On the indoor-outdoor living space, we installed a raised seam metal roof, and on the greenhouse side, a glass roof. An interior view of the two spaces showcases a shiplap ceiling in the living area, and for year-round sunshine for their plants, our clients chose glass in the greenhouse area. The homeowners also chose to replace their old sliding glass door with new folding doors for a contemporary and stylish entry from their home into their new sunroom. To match their home's interior and the contrasting colors in their sunroom, we installed a folding door featuring a dual color frame, white on the interior and bronze on the exterior. Our crew at Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms installed a folding window in the kitchen, allowing easy access to pass drinks or dishes through from the sunroom area. In addition to the folding window, we installed a combination of tilt-turn windows and casement windows, all with operable screens. Folding glass doors were installed along the perimeter of both sunroom and greenhouse. We also installed ceiling fans and mini splits, allowing our client to control the climate of both spaces with ease. Our folding glass doors offer the ability to open a single door for quick entry and exit, or open the entire wall of folding doors for a panoramic view of your outdoor space. Michigan Folding Doors and Sunrooms has a skilled team to help with every stage of your next space. From consultation and design to installation and maintenance, our staff will make your home upgrade dream a reality. Unfold the possibilities with Michigan Folding Doors. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more videos of our sunroom and folding door projects.